Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Top Crypto Bull here for your daily crypto update. Let's get right into it. Well, looks like the market is half green and half red. Looking at the top 100 crypto bubbles, looks like it's a mixed bag. There are some altcoins that are starting to jump. We got Jupiter is up 9.7% up for the day, and we got Ultima is up 11.3% up for the day. Caspa is up 9.4% up for the day. And the biggest losers for the day is Hex is down 13.8% down for the day. PancakeSwap Cake is down 10.5% down for the day, and PLSX is down 9.1% down for the day. Well, got some breaking news. Was not really breaking, but it happened today. Just bringing you the latest news in case you missed it. It looks like the SEC acknowledges Grayscale's XRP and DOGE ETF filings. The SEC will likely face a mid-October deadline to decide whether Grayscale's XRP and Dogecoin ETFs get off the ground. So looks like the SEC Commission has acknowledged filings from crypto asset manager Grayscale's to list spot XRP and Dogecoin exchange-traded funds. The SEC today, February 13, acknowledged Grayscale's Form 19B-4 filings for the Grayscale's XRP Trust and the Grayscale Dogecoin Trust means that the clock will soon start for the agency to review and decide on the applications within a mandated 240-day deadline. The 240-day timer will start when Grayscale filings are submitted to the SEC's Federal Register, which typically happens within days. If entered now, it would mean the SEC's decision deadline would be in mid-October. So it looks like over the last 2 weeks, the SEC has also acknowledged applications for Litecoin and Solana ETFs, indicating that the SEC leadership under the Trump administration has changed its tack to a crypto-related listings. Under former SEC Chair Gary Gensler, the agency reportedly rejected at least 2 Solana ETF applications, and Grayscale had to undertake a lengthy court battle to force SEC to consider approving the conversion of its Bitcoin trust into an ETF. Well, this is bullish news. I'm really happy this happened since I hold a lot of XRP and XLM. Because if XRP gets an ETF, XLM is also going to moon. So I hold both of them, and I also hold a lot of Doge. So this is great for XRP and Doge and XLM as well, because I do believe they're going to approve them. I don't know exactly when, but I guess they got until mid-October, to approve it. But it looks like this new SEC, with the new SEC chair coming in, Paul Atkins, he'll probably get, to come in sometime around April, I believe. It takes some time. I think the House and the Senate has to approve Paul Atkins. They got to go through, a lot of official things to approve him. But basically, Paul Atkins got nominated by Donald Trump to be the new SEC chair, and he's going to be, mandating the SEC sometime in April. Right now, Mark Uyeda is the acting SEC chair, but he's also a Republican and he's also pro-crypto. So right now, there's 3 commissioners in the SEC. There was 5, but Gary Gensler and this other guy, I forget his name, Jaime. They both, resigned. So, they were both Democrats, So right now we have 2 Republicans and 1 Democrat. Hester Pierce is one Republican, and she's head of the crypto task force. And Mark Uyeda is the other Republican, and he's the acting SEC chair. And now there is one more Democrat in the SEC chair commissioner right now. But there's 2 Republicans, so they outvote her. It's 2-1 right now. So once Paul Atkins comes in, he's a pro crypto, so that'll be 3, and then they'll probably hire 1 more. But whether the last one is a Republican or Democrat, we'll already have 3 Republicans that are pro cryptos. I'm not political or anything like that. When I say Republicans, because right now it looks like the Republicans are being pro crypto and the Democrats are being anti crypto. But yeah, we have, once Paul Atkins comes in, we'll have 3 crypto pro commissioners, and the best thing about it is that the SEC chair, Paul Atkins, he'll be basically running the show, and he's definitely pro crypto. So this is great news for XRP, for the XRP army, and for the Doge community, which I have both. I own a lot of XRP and Doge, so definitely this is great news. I think when this finally gets approved, it will probably make XRP and Doge moon. So hopefully it happens sooner than later, but if not, it should happen by October, by mid-October. Now that's why I think XRP and XLM are going to run all year this cycle. I think they're mimicking their 2017 cycle when XRP and XLM had a massive cycle. They did over like 500x gains from low to high. I think this cycle, this 2025 cycle, is mimicking the 2017, because in the 2017 cycle, XRP and XLM, they kept running all of 2017, and they topped off with Bitcoin in the end of December. I think something similar is going to happen this cycle. I think XRP and XLM are going to run all year. Not in a straight line. There are going to be corrections and red days and sideways days. But they're going to keep running, and they're going to hit the top of the bull run sometime when Bitcoin tops off. And I'm thinking that's going to be sometime around September 2025. Give or take a month. Might be in August 2025, or it might be in October 2025. So that's good, because in the last cycle, in the 2021 cycle, XRP and XLM, they topped off early. They were early bloomers, and they topped off. XRP topped off in April 2021, and then XLM topped off like 2 or 3 weeks later in May 2021. But this time around, I think they're gonna top off late in the year, late in the cycle. So that's really good. That's why I'm very bullish on XRP. I do believe XRP could at least get to $15. That's like my realistic price prediction. But Bitcoin has a massive bull run. If it gets anywhere near 250k, then I do see XRP having the potential to hit $30. And XLM, since it's like XRP's twin, usually when XRP moves, XLM follows. I do believe XLM is also gonna have a massive cycle. I do believe it could at least get to $3.50 this cycle. But again, if Bitcoin has a massive bull run, gets anywhere near 250k, then I could see XLM getting close to $7. So definitely, hold your bags. Don't let the market makers shake you out. I do believe these are the last shakeout days that the market maker is doing. I do believe the market maker is about getting ready to flip the switch and make everything go parabolic. So this might be your last chance to buy XRP, XLM, Doge, and all your favorite cryptocurrencies at these low prices, because I do believe we're gonna get a big pump soon. So I'm buying. I've been buying. All this. Last week I've been buying. All my favorite cryptos. Stacking my bags. I already have a lot of XRP and XLM and Doge, but I've been stacking my bag on LII, WISP, AXL, Axelar, and a bunch of other low market cap coins. So definitely this is the time to pack your to stack your bags. Don't be waiting for lower prices, because I do believe the bottom came in on the Bitcoin and altcoin prices on February 3rd trading day. I do believe that's the local bottom. I do believe most of the Bitcoin and the crypto prices, they're pretty close to the bottom right now, but I don't think they're gonna go lower than they did on the February 3rd trading day. On that day, Bitcoin got to as low as 91,178, and it's and it's been going sideways, between like 94 and like 98, for like over a week, for a week and a half already, but it hasn't gotten as low as 91 again. So I don't think we'll go lower than 90k. I do believe 90k is the line in the sand for Bitcoin, and I do believe like all the cryptos that had their local lows on that day, on February 3rd trading day. That was that crash that followed after the Trump tariffs, after he announced that he was going to put 25% tariffs on Canada and Mexico and 10% tariffs on China. The market crashed. Bitcoin went all the way to 91k. XRP went all the way down to $1.72. But look, that was basically the bottom, the local bottom, because it quickly got bought up, and then the lowest price it had ever since it hit 172, the lowest price since then was only 226 on February 7th. So it's been above 226 for the last week and a half. We're already at 255. It's kind of pumping a little bit right now on the bullish news of the XRP ETF filing getting acknowledged by the SEC. So definitely, don't miss out. I mean, if you didn't buy, if you didn't buy that, XRP under $2 and this dip, it's okay. I mean, it might, might dip again to like, like 239, 235, but it might not. So either way, I mean, the difference between like, like $2 and $2.50 is not a big deal. In the long run, once it gets to like $15, I mean, you're still gonna have massive gains. So, if you're thinking about buying XRP or any other altcoin, like let's take a look at Jasmine. I mean, Jasmine is a great price right now. It's only at 0.022. I'm really bullish on Jasmine also. I mean, the local low came in on February 3rd. It got as low as 0.02, so exactly 2 cents. So right now it's at 0.022. So, Jasmine, this is a great pickup right now. I mean, it's a gift. This is like a gift from the market maker, making it this cheap, for over a week and a half. I mean, like, I think this is basically the bottom. The bottom came in on February 3rd at 2 cents exactly, and right now it's just trading a little bit above it. It's been, just going sideways, a little bit above 2 cents, for like a week and a half already. So, I mean, this might be the last final days for you to pick up Jasmine or your favorite crypto at these low prices. So I'm making this video, just kind of, to give you a heads up. I do believe, we hit the bottom. I mean, the local bottom, not the bear market bottom, but I do believe, we hit the local bottom on February 3rd trading day for Bitcoin and most of the cryptos. So definitely, I do believe they're gonna, they might go sideways a little bit at these low prices a few more days, but at any time now, could be tomorrow, the next day, in a few days or a week, I do believe we're gonna start grinding up and go to higher prices. I do believe Bitcoin is getting ready to run. Let's go back to Bitcoin and see what the current price is. It's $97,000 even right now. It's been going sideways between 94K and 98K, for the last week and a half. But overall, it's still bullish. It's still, making higher highs and higher lows. I mean, we made on January 13, we went as low as, 89K. We made a higher low here on February 3rd at 91,000. So, we're making higher highs and higher lows. So, slowly but surely grinding up, kind of like at a turtle pace. It's going very slow. Honestly, it's going very slow because, we've been stuck in this range between 90K and 100K, for like almost 3 months now. On the 20th, it's going to be exactly 3 months because ever since November 20th, 2024, we've been, stuck in this range between 90K and 100K for Bitcoin. But, we're about due almost 3 months of consolidation. So I do expect, Bitcoin to start rallying, and I do expect a big pump for Bitcoin at any time. So, if you're feeling bearish, don't get too bearish because I do believe, the big pump is on its way. So just kind of making this video to let you guys know, that the bull cycle is going to continue. And this might be, your last few days of low prices for Bitcoin and cryptos. So I do see a big pump coming in at any time. So don't miss out. Not financial advice, but I've been buying, all my favorite cryptos right now that are, at a super discount. So don't miss out on the low prices on your favorite cryptos right now. Now today, Trump, he had like he had a press conference today. I thought, he might announce like some tariffs or something, but he didn't really, give specific, like tariff, percentage amounts, or he didn't really give specific countries. He talked a little bit about how the EU, has high tariffs on the U.S., but he didn't really go into anything specific. But he did, he did sign a reciprocal tariff order, which includes non-monetary provisions. Let's read this little article, and this will probably explain it a little better. So this is what Trump said. Whatever they charge us, we're charging them. So it works out very well. So this is what Mr. Trump said while signing the order. U.S. President Donald Trump has officially signed an executive order to place reciprocal tariffs on the country's trading partners, which included provisions for non-monetary policies and defined value-added taxes as meeting the criteria for a reciprocal import tax. President Trump tapped Secretary of Commerce Howard Lutnick, Secretary of State Marco Rubio, and Secretary of the Treasury Scott Bessent to study the issue and submit their findings. Tariffs will not be levied immediately and will be imposed following the submission of the report. which Lutnick said would be ready by April 1st. Speaking from the Oval Office, Lutnick told reporters, if other countries drop their tariffs, prices for Americans are coming down. Our production is going up and our costs are going down. Remember, it's a two-way street. That's why it's called reciprocal. So it looks like this old press conference for the crypto market, it was like a nothing burger. Many people were expecting maybe the market was going to crash a little bit, just kind of like it did on the February 3rd trading day after Trump announced the Mexico and Canada tariffs. But it was nothing burger. Nothing really happened. If you look at the Bitcoin chart, it just basically stayed between like 95 and and 97,000. Where right now we're back at 97,000. So nothing really happened. So definitely it was a nothing burger. The press conference on the reciprocal tariffs by Mr. Trump. Let's see. On other news, I got some more bullish news here. Looks like Michigan has become the latest state to propose crypto reserve bill. A bill filed in Michigan's House would allow the state to buy crypto and lend it out to increase yield for state funds. Michigan has become the latest U.S. state to propose a strategic Bitcoin reserve bill, bringing the total number of states moving crypto reserve related legislation to 20. On February 13, Representatives Brian Posthumus and Ron Robinson introduced HB 4087 to amend the State's Management and Budget Act to establish a strategic Bitcoin reserve. So this move makes Michigan the 20th U.S. state with legislation for state crypto investment pending a vote. So there you go. Now there's 20 states, that are proposing a crypto reserve bill for their state, and Michigan is the latest one. I believe Arizona, Texas, and a bunch of other ones are definitely trying to create a crypto reserve bill. So this is very bullish for crypto and all of us, because if you're watching me, you're probably invested in crypto, and we're early in the game. Once all the states start putting billions of dollars, millions and billions of dollars into crypto, it's gonna pump our favorite cryptos. So definitely this is really good news. So more bullish news. It's not really bullish news, but I found this kind of cool. It says CZ's. In case you don't know, CZ's the founder of Binance. CZ's dog's name sparks broccoli meme coin frenzy. So CZ, the founder of Binance, revealed his dog's name in an X post, sparking a wave of meme coins named after the canine. So CZ, the founder and former CEO of Binance, revealed his dog's name in an X post today, February 13. Okay, that's the same thing. So basically, his dog's name is Broccoli. So I guess a bunch of people have created Broccoli meme coins, and they have quickly taken up resonance on popular meme coin launching platforms, including Solana's Pumped Up Fund, where at least I believe there's 480 Broccoli meme coins, and BNB Smart Change, and also I think there's at least 300 CZ dog themed meme coins on the BNB, and some have gained traction, and one Solana meme coin with that name Broccoli has reached over $1.5 billion market cap. So there you go. People are making money on the meme coins again. So CC stressed that he was not launching a meme coin of his own, adding that it's up to the community to do that or not. So I guess this is what CC posted. Here's the X post. It says, Broccoli story. A year and a half ago, I casually chatted with a friend who owned a real zoo in Dubai. Curious, I asked what dog breed is adapted to the Dubai summer heat. I had no plans to get a dog. Later that evening, my doorbell rang and a young Belgian Malinois showed up with his own passport, courtesy of the zoo friend. I wanted a name that starts with a B and has some green in it, so I named him Broccoli. It also has a blocky sound, as in blocky chain. can't get away from crypto. Ha ha ha. So there you go. Looks like CC's dog's name is Broccoli, and a lot of the community, they took this as a chance to create meme coins. There's like 1,000 meme coins out there with Broccoli, with the Broccoli name. So that's going viral right now. Some are mooning, some are not. That's the latest meme coin right now, Broccoli. Also, I wanted to show you guys, that the Bitcoin dominance is going down. So this is really good for Bitcoin. This is another reason why I think that Bitcoin is about to pump. And once Bitcoin starts pumping and makes a new all-time high, and goes parabolic, it's going to bring up the cryptos as well. Look at the current Bitcoin dominance is 60.93. It's still pretty high. I mean, we got to get below 55% Bitcoin dominance in order for the true altcoin season to begin, and we got to stay below 55% for the Bitcoin dominance for the altcoin season to get started, and to continue. But that's pretty good, because on February 3rd we did get as high as 64.34% Bitcoin dominance. So we've been trending down these last few days. We've been having red days. So we're at 60.93. So this is a good chance we might be in another downtrend for Bitcoin dominance. Hopefully it continues, and we want this to fall off a cliff and get below 55%. That way, the true Bitcoin goes parabolic, and the true altcoin season kicks in. Also, I wanted to show you the chart of the DXY. The DXY is also just waiting for the internet here. The DXY is also going down. We're at 106.994. It had a massive red day today. February 13, it was as high as 107.99, and it's down exactly $1, 106.99 right now. That doesn't seem like a lot, but for the DXY to go down $1 in one day, that's a lot. So that's really, really good. That the DXY is collapsing, and we want it to keep going down. The lower the DXY goes, the higher Bitcoin goes, and the higher Bitcoin goes, the higher all our favorite cryptos go as well. So this is really good news. All the indicators are pointing to the fact that Bitcoin is about to pump, and once Bitcoin pumps, that's going to bring up the cryptos. So get ready. If you have some dry powder on the side, not financial on the side, but what I'm doing with my dry powder, I'm buying my favorite altcoins, buying my favorite cryptos right now that they're at super low prices, because I do believe Bitcoin is about to pump, and it's going to make the cryptos go to higher prices. And you don't want to be buying in at higher prices. You want to buy as low as you can. And right now we're pretty much as low as we possibly can. Like I showed you, we pretty much hit rock bottom on most of the coins. Jasmine, I just bought some Jasmine. Jasmine, the local low is 0.02. It's at 0.022. So what a great buy. I showed you XRP already. Let's go to XLM real quick. XLM, the local low, it got as low as 0.026 on February 3rd trading day. It's at it got to as low as 26 cents on February 3rd, and it's at trading at 33. So that's a steal right now, because I do believe they're about to pump. XCN is very volatile right now, and it's already kind of mooned. I do believe XCN could still get to like 25 cents. So still got a good 10x from the price of today. If you like XCN, you could invest into it. But I'd rather invest into lower market cap coins like Jasmine or LEAI, because they're way lower market cap. I haven't sold my XCN. I own a lot of XCN already. I'm just waiting it to get to around 25 cents, and that's when I'm gonna sell. But don't miss out on LEAI. Only a $5.9 million market cap. This is basically its low, 0.0059. That's pretty low right there. It's had let's see what the retracement is from the high. It's had a 76% retracement from the all-time high of 0.025. So you can't get better price than this right now. It did get as low as 0.0057, but it's at 0.0059 right now. I just bought some more LEAI. I've been stacking LEAI because I think it's going to be one of the biggest gainers once the AI narrative come back. Don't miss out on Wisp either. Wisp already been mooning. It did like a 300% move, from 4 days ago. I told you guys about Wisp. on February 8th when it was at 0.004, and it's moved all the way up to 0.00 to 0.016, to a little bit over a penny and a half. Hopefully you guys caught that and got into WISP when I told you guys about it in February 8th. So yeah, all the coins are doing really good. XLR is starting to move also. It got as low as 32 cents on February 3rd. It's already at 47 cents. So this is pretty much what all the coins are doing. We look at Crow with Knife here. It's a really great price right now. 7023, only $18 million market cap. You can't miss out on this because if you wait a little bit longer, it might be too late. You'll probably be buying it, twice as much the price. It did get as low as 7017, and it's still a super good price at 7023. So don't miss out on Crow with Knife. The COQ has been bouncing back really good. It's been had a lot of movement to the upside. It's already done a 100% move from the low it had on February 3rd. It got as low as 6048, and it did get as high as 6096. Right now it's at 6088, but it did get as high as 6096. So it's already up like almost 100% move to the upside. Right now it's about like a 70% move to the upside from the low of 6048. Yeah, so don't miss out on your favorite cryptos. I do believe the local lows are in. They're starting to to grind slowly but surely to the upside. So this is a good sign. They're making higher highs and higher lows. Most of the cryptos and bitcoins are. So don't miss out on the big pump that's right around the corner. All right, well that's pretty much it. Just wanted to go over the latest news with you guys, and wanted to make this video to let you guys know that I do think Bitcoin is about to pump. It could happen tomorrow, the next day, or the next few days, or in a week. Nobody really knows 100%, what's going to happen with Bitcoin and cryptos tomorrow, the next day. But the charts are showing, that the local low is in on Bitcoin and your favorite cryptos. So, it's not the time to hesitate. It's the time, to take action. And if you're a crypto investor like I am, what I'm doing is I'm buying up all my favorite cryptocurrencies right now that are fire discount. All right. Well, I wish you guys luck. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Think about joining the Patreon if you want early picks to my low market cap gems. Subscribe to the channel. This Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.